Hello everyone, this is Kumar Keshav from EWS Arakshan Sabha. So today's good news is that today's breaking news is that Telangana government Chief Minister KCR has finally announced the implementation of EWS category, EWS 10% reservation in the state of Telangana. So people from Telangana will be now benefited in various examinations, in various vacancies that will be announced in the future. So lot of people, a lot of students were having anxiety and were depressed and were hoping for the implementation of EWS reservation in Telangana. Many states ruled by BJP as well as non-BJP have already implemented the 10% EWS reservation, but Telangana had not implemented it, and lakhs of students, poor EWS category students, were suffering from this, and they were continuously raising their issue that why Telangana government, why Chief Minister KCR is not taking proper action to implement the 10% EWS reservation in Telangana. So finally the news has arrived, good news has arrived that Telangana students will be now benefited in the EWS reservation implementation in various examinations, in various recruitment examinations. They will be benefited in the coming future. So let's see the news articles that have been published in today's newspaper. It is Times of India, and the headline is Telangana to have 10% quota for upper caste, says the Chief Minister KCR. You can see here it is the news from Hyderabad. 2 years after the center has announced 10% reservation to economically weaker section in the government educational institutions and recruitment, Telangana government has decided to implement in the state institutions and jobs. It is a very important news, very special bulletin for the today's news that Telangana people will be now benefited in the 10% EWS reservation. Chief Minister KCR on Thursday said that high-level meeting would be convened and in the next 2 to 3 days to discuss the issues, and order would be issued very soon. You will be getting the orders because I will show one newspaper article where a lot of people from upper caste gave ultimatum to KCR government that if they would not implement the EWS reservation in Telangana, they will not vote for KCR, they will not go with the KCR in the coming elections. So it is the kind of environment that was being created, anti-servant environment was being created in Telangana, and so people took the lead and pressurized the government to implement finally the EWS reservation in Telangana. So you can see here in the news article 2 to 3 days back, it was a news article, upper caste ultimatum to Telangana government on EWS quota. Here you can see that upper caste communities in Telangana, who constitute 20 to 22% of population, have received ultimatum to state government to implement 10% quota in education and jobs for economically weaker section communities, stressing that lakhs of students and youths are being deprived on reservation in professional course and jobs. They set a deadline 30 January to the government to implement the quota, failing which they would resort to the protest. Community leaders said that implementation of 10% reservation would not come in the way of enhancing reservation of Muslims to 12% and STs to 10% in the state. So it is a very important news that Telangana has finally decided to implement the 10% EWS category reservation in the state. So it's time for age relaxation demand. So I will request all the people of all the EWS candidates of the Telangana to raise the demand of EWS age relaxation concern in Telangana as well as in the central government jobs. You well know that in the central government job, no age relaxation has been given to the 10% EWS category, unlike the other reserved categories SC, ST and OBC. 2 years have already been passed and no age relaxation, no fee concession, no scheme of scholarship has been given by the BJP government in the central level. So it will be our combined effort that you people from Telangana, we from whole India, and we will fight with the unite momentum so that in the coming future we can see EWS age relaxation in a state as well. as the central level. Many states have given EWS age relaxations of 5 years to the students, to the candidates who are belonging to Gujarat as well as Haryana and Maharashtra. So it's the high time, is the peak time to deliver all the promises, all the complementary benefits like EWS age relaxation, fee concession as well as scholarship scheme at both the central level and the state level. Thank you so much for watching this very video. We will meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.